Hey guys, what's up? It's Skylar85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Immortals Fenyx Rising on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, I got this for Christmas. It's now a few days after Christmas. It's nearly the end of 2020, so yeah, what a year, eh? But yeah, really looking forward to giving this a go. Apparently it's kind of like a cross between Breath of the Wild and Assassin's Creed. So should be cool. It's quite stylized as well. So yeah, really looking forward to playing it. So it's all to do with Greek mythology as well. So you've got Zeus and Prometheus and I think Apollo and Aphrodite and yeah, all those sort of characters in there. And then you've got Typhon, which is, I don't think it's him. It could be, but I'm not sure. Yeah, so there's the front. There's the side and there's the back. You are God's last hope. Play as Phoenix and save the Greek gods. So this is the Shadow Master edition, so it includes Hades, the Shadow Master character pack. So yeah. So inside we have that and the thing about the season pass, and you also have the disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Immortals Fenyx Rising on the Xbox Series X, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye.